Hello, students. Welcome to today's Grammar Explainer. Today, we're going to learn exactly how to fix run-on sentences to help you ace your exams. If you've ever lost points on a writing assignment because your sentences were just a bit too long or confusing, well, you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. So, two sentences crashed into one line. How do we fix it? Imagine two heavy train carriages slamming together on a track. Boom! That's exactly what happens in our writing when we push two complete, heavy ideas into one single line without safely separating them. It causes a total grammar crash. Section 1. The core rule. Before we can fix this sentence crash, we really need to understand exactly why it happened in the first place. Here is the golden rule you have to remember. A run-on sentence joins two complete ideas without correct punctuation or a connector. I'm actually going to repeat that because it is absolutely crucial for your exams. A run-on sentence joins two complete ideas without correct punctuation or a connector. That means you have one full thought, another full thought, and absolutely nothing save holding them together. Section 2. 3 safe repair tools. The good news here is that we have 3 incredibly simple tools to fix these crashes safely. We have 3 main tools. Number 1, a full stop. Number 2, a comma plus a connector word. And number 3, a semicolon. Think of these as the safe connections between those heavy train carriages. To safely separate your first idea from your second idea, you just choose one of these 3 tools. It really is that simple. Section 3. Fixing common exam mistakes. Let's see these tools in action and look at exactly how we repair some frequent exam crashes. Listen to this classic run-on mistake. I was tired, I finished my homework. Ouch, the ideas crash right into each other. But notice how we fix this. By using a comma and the connector word but, we safely join the 2 ideas. I was tired, but I finished my homework. The crash is completely fixed. Here is another crash. The bell rang, we left. To fix this safely, we use a comma and the connector word so. This shows that the second action happened because of the first. The bell rang, so we left. Perfectly clear, right? Sometimes the very best repair is also the simplest one. Our mistake says, it was raining, we stayed inside. By simply using our first tool, a full stop, we can safely separate the 2 complete ideas into 2 entirely different sentences. It was raining, we stayed inside. Now, this is a super common exam mistake. I studied hard, I passed. But it's so easy to correct. Just add a comma and the connector so, and it makes perfect sense. I studied hard, so I passed. You can see how much easier that is to read. Section 4. The Mini Quiz Challenge. All right. Now it's your turn to be the expert. I'm going to show you 3 test questions and give you time to think of the fix. Get those repair tools ready. Here is your first challenge. Fix the sentence. The test was hard. I did my best. Read the sentence carefully, find the 2 complete ideas, and choose your repair tool. Excellent. We fixed this by adding a comma and the word but to safely connect these contrasting ideas. The test was hard, but I did my best. Here's your second challenge. Fix this sentence. She opened the book, she started reading. Look closely at the 2 ideas crashing into each other and think about exactly how you'd separate them. Did you get it right? A perfect way to fix this is by placing a clear full stop right between the 2 complete actions. She opened the book, she started reading. For your final challenge, choose the correct connector. I was hungry, blank, I ate lunch. Look at the first idea and then the second idea. Choose the correct connector from the brackets, so or but. So is definitely the correct connector. Why? Because eating lunch is the direct result of being hungry. I was hungry, so I ate lunch. Section 5, Final Rule and Review. You did a fantastic job on that quiz. Now, let's wrap up with a quick review to keep your sentences perfectly safe in your next exam. Let's look at our decision chart. The absolute most important thing to ask yourself is this: do I have 2 complete ideas in one sentence? If you do, you must always choose one of these 3 safe joining tools: a full stop, a comma with a connector, or a semicolon. Remember to use proper punctuation and save this rule to avoid run-on sentences in all your future writing. I mean, what other grammar crashes might be hiding in your essays? Subscribe for Cambridge English in 5 minutes and keep practicing those perfectly safe sentences.